Good Wednesday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to a quick cruise news video. We had a story yesterday that came out talking about a fire on board Royal Caribbean's Icon of the Seas. Now, the report says there was a fire somewhere down below decks. At the same time that the fire happened, all of the power went out on the ship. Now, this affected elevators. People could not get into their cabins. The ship was docked in Costa Maya, so nobody could get on or off the ship. Gangway operations had to be suspended due to power loss. Now, according to Royal Caribbean, the fire was quickly extinguished, the backup generators engaged, and power was restored to the entire ship within minutes. Now, Royal Caribbean did release a statement. There has been an incident on Icon of the Seas on the lower decks, non-technical spaces. Our highly trained crew members are dealing with the situation at hand at this time. We are asking you to remain calm and follow any further instructions from our crew members. The gangway operation is suspended, and we will update you further with more information. So that was the announcement that was made on board the cruise ship. And according to the statement, the fire was in a non-technical area, just a regular crew area, so not in the engine room, not in any of the important mechanical spaces. At least that's what Royal Caribbean says. Now, I'm definitely not an expert in cruise ship operations, but if you have a small fire that was quickly extinguished in a non-technical area, I'm not sure why all of the power went out on the ship. Now, this is just preliminary reporting. We don't have the full story yet. Royal Caribbean says the backup generators came on, power was restored within minutes. But according to some passenger reports from the ship, it was way more than just a few minutes. There's even been a report of what they're calling a small explosion from one of the passengers on the ship prior to the power going out. Now, we cannot confirm any passenger reports at this time. All we have to go on right now is what Royal Caribbean is officially putting out. And once we have more information, of course, we will share that story with you. But if you're an expert on cruise ships, I do have a question. Why would a fire in a non-technical, non-engine room type space, why would that cause a complete power loss across the ship? And this is just pure speculation on my part, but I'm wondering, was this fire actually in, let's say, the engine room? Because to me, that would make more sense. It's in a place where you have flammable fuel and stuff going through the engines. You hit the emergency shut off, shut down all the engines, all of the generators, and the power goes out. But hey, I could be completely wrong about that. But again, as soon as we hear more, learn more about the story, we will get it right out to you. All right, and that's going to be our quick cruise news video for this morning. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.